Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a modern concrete fascia. First of all, click on your roof plan and open it. Now we are modeling the concrete fascia with a sweep tool. So you click on architecture and then the components drop down. Click and open it and click on casework. You may choose to leave this as it is and continue. Now you have to select sweep. After that, you click on sketch path. This is where you will sketch where you want your concrete fascia to cover. You can use any of these tools, but for now I'm gonna use the pick lines. Select it and pick the walls, that's the external walls. Pick around the building. When you are done, you trim it with the trim tool. Okay, you click the finish mode, then click on edit profile. This will open the views for you. You click open view. Now this is the place you will sketch your concrete fascia in form of elevation. You make a rough sketch how you want it to be on elevation. Let's make a simple sketch. You can customize any design of your choice with it. Okay, here we go. When you're done, you finish it and finish it again. You can change the material, the color of the fascia right here. Let's choose this fascia. You can click here to change the color. When you're done, you click OK. Here we have the concrete fascia. Please, if you like this video and you've not subscribed, you click the subscribe button and hit the notification to get notified each time we post an interesting video like this. Thank you. So when you're done, you finish it. You may choose to edit this fascia. All you need to do is to click on it, click on edit in place, select the fascia again, edit sweep. Now if you want to change the sketch path, you click on the sketch path. But if you want to change the design concept, you click on select profile, edit profile, then open the view you made the sketch. Right here you can make any of the adjustments you want to. When you are done, you finish it again. Okay, that's how to create a modern concrete fascia. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get notified each time we post an interesting video like this. If you have any question or contribution, you drop it on the comment section below. Please like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Thank you. See you in our next class.